Hey guys, Caden from Toxic Fanatics 2 here, and we have something which is like Trackmaster, but something different called Motorized Railway Box. We've got the Snowy Ryan. As you can see, there's a different language, and there's the English there. So you can spin the fish. Here's the back of the box. Create a world of snowy adventures. In the back, Snowy Ryan, and there's Snowy Hero, which was also ordered along with this guy. The snow track pack, and there's the set. I don't know what it's called, but if you know what that set's called, then please tell me in the comment section below. Wait, let's rip into this. There we go. And here is the first truck. Has some polar bears, and they're fishing as well. You can work on the Tommy track. Yeah. And here is the truck with the spinning fish. Okay. And here's a look at the Snowy Ryan. His face. And like his Take and Play Adventures model, the buffer beams is black. And it's got purple wheels like the Trackmaster Ryan drone does. He's got some icicles and snow. And he's only got the nameplate on one side like the 2015 Trackmaster model did. Popped up. And he works. Let's put him back together. Take the camera off the tripod and let's see him run. Not right there. Let's give him one more run. The motor sounds almost like the Trackmaster Evolution versions, and when I first saw pictures of Motorized Railway stuff back in 2014, I thought it was going to replace Trackmaster. But I'm glad they didn't replace Trackmaster because it's another country's version of it. And I also ordered a Motorized Railway Rowl as well from a different seller, but not the same one as this one. I got this from eBay. And I do like the Trackmaster more, but I would get Motorized Railway if some of them don't come out with Trackmaster. But nonetheless, I would recommend getting the Snowy Ryan if you want a variant of Ryan that isn't his normal version. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!